The end of the year is coming, which is great, right? 2020 been pretty difficult, pretty crazy, but I get asked a lot, what do I need to do that's to work towards the end of the year? What do I need that is special, or what do I need to make sure that I get done before the end of the year, or maybe in preparation for the next? I'm Aaron Impins. I've got some tips for you on that today. So I got asked the question the other day is, what do I need to do to make sure that I'm ready for the end of the year? And I kind of looked at him like, what do you mean? You know, there's nothing special or magical about the end of the year that you need to do. It doesn't mean that all of a sudden your business stops and then restarts the next day. So my advice to you is, don't do anything special. Now, there's probably some things that you could do to help make sure that you're still moving forward in the right direction. And if you want to tie that to the end of the year, you can, that's fine. But really, these are all things that you should probably do along the way. So for the video's sake here, let's say you want to look at these things in time to the end of the year. What could you do? And I would say one of the most important things is take a look back over your previous year. Look through your marketing channels that you did. Look through the relationships that you've built, the deals that you've done, the goods and the bads, and determine what has worked. Determine what hasn't worked. Because guess what? If you want to tie this to the end of the year, next year, you're not going to do the stuff that didn't work, right? I mean, it's pretty simple. But yeah, take a look back, evaluate your year. Really figure out what is going well for you. So as you've looked back and you've found out what's worked for you, you need to decide that you're going to stay consistent with that. You're going to want to make sure that you keep moving forward with things that have been working. Set yourself some new goals. You know, if you're not continually evaluating your goals and resetting those goals once you've hit some milestones, you probably should. I mean, I completely agree that you need to celebrate the milestones that you get to and reaching those goals that you have set, but if you don't then set new ones, you'll never keep growing. So again, tying it to the end of the year, evaluate what's been good, stay consistent with that, keep doing it. Set those new goals that says, okay, I did X amount of deals this last year. Now my new goal is going to be 10 more than that. Something along those lines. Probably one of the easiest things that I could tell you to make sure that you do at the end of the year is get your books in order. That tax accountant that you're going to hire at the beginning of the year to file your taxes for you, he's going to really appreciate it if you don't come in with a shoebox full of receipts. Trust me, I've been there and I've done that, and I've filed my taxes off of bank statements and spreadsheets before, but if you can keep your things in order, rightfully so all the way through the year, but definitely at the end, you're going to be better off. It's going to set you up good for the next year. You're going to be able to get your taxes done in a timely manner. It'll be helpful. All right, guys, I hope that helps, but yeah, nothing special that you need to do at the end of the year. These are all things that you probably should be doing as you go along, but let me know if you've got something that you're like, hey, you really need to be doing this at the end of the year, Aaron. I'd love to hear your advice and your tips as well. I'd gladly respond and have a little conversation with you. It'd be a lot of fun. Give me that like and hit the subscribe button, share it with some friends, and we'll see you next time.